sorting data. Excel can arrange the selected data in ascending or descending order. This is called sorting of data. To sort data, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the data to be sorted. Step 2. Click Sort and Filter command from Editing Group under the Home tab to open a drop-down list. Step 3. Click Sort A to Z for text and sort smallest to largest for numbers to sort the data in ascending order. The selected data gets arranged in ascending order. Custom sort. In case more than one columns are to be sorted in such a way that the first column is in ascending order, and if some data is same for more than one rows, then the second column of such rows gets sorted in descending order. You can do this in Excel using custom sort. To use custom sort, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of columns to be sorted. Step 2. Click Sort and Filter command from Editing Group under Home tab to open a drop-down list. Step 3. Click Custom Sort from the drop-down list to open Sort dialog box. Step 4. Check My Data has Headers checkbox if the selected columns have a heading at the top. Step 5. Click the Sort By box to open list of column headers. Select a column head, for example, Marks Obtained. Step 6. Click Sort On box to select Values option. Step 7. Click Order box to select A to Z option in case of text data and smallest to largest option. Step 8. Click on Add Level button on the top of the dialog box. This will add one more row to define new criteria. Step 9. Repeat steps 5 to 7 to sort marks in previous term column in descending order. Step 10. Click on OK button. The data will be sorted according to the criteria defined. Filtering data. You must have studied about filtration process, which is used to separate unwanted material from a mixture. Excel also provides you to filter unwanted data from a set of data. To apply filters, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of columns to be filtered. Step 2. Click Sort and Filter command from Editing Group under Home tab to open a drop-down list. Step 3. Click Filter from the drop-down list. You will notice that small arrows appear in front of all the column headers. Step 4. Click on the arrow in front of the header Marks Obtained to open a drop-down list. You will notice that all the entries in the column are present in the list, with small checkboxes in the beginning. Click some of the checkboxes to uncheck them. Click on OK button. You will notice that the rows of unchecked data are removed from the list. You need not to worry as the data is not lost. Notice the row headings. Some of the row headings are missing. The unchecked rows have just been hidden from the display. To get the data back, open the filter list again and check the unchecked entries. Suppose you want to know the names of the students who have scored more than 80 marks. Follow these steps to get the required information. Step 1. Apply filters to the data. Step 2. Click on Marks Obtained column header to open the filter drop-down list. Step 3. Place your mouse over Number Filters option to open a sub-menu. Select the Greater Than option to open the Custom Auto Filter dialog box. Step 4. Enter 80 in the criteria box and click on OK button. Notice that only the details of the students who have obtained marks greater than 80 are displayed and the remaining rows get hidden. Remove filters. The filters once applied can be easily removed. Click anywhere in the worksheet and repeat steps to apply filters. You will notice that the filter arrows in front of column headers disappear and the hidden rows also reappear. Conditional formatting. Suppose you do not want to hide any rows, but still want to highlight all the cells that satisfy a condition. For example, greater than 80. This type of formatting is known as conditional formatting in Excel. To apply conditional formatting to a series of data, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the data to which formatting is to be applied. Step 2. Click on Conditional Formatting command from Styles group under Home tab to open a drop-down list. This list shows various criteria like Highlight Cells rules. This option is selected when you want to highlight all cells satisfying a given condition. When you hover mouse over this option, it opens a sub-list showing criteria like greater than, less than, equal to, between, etc. Top or bottom rules. This option is selected when you want to highlight some top or bottom number of items in a data series. When you hover mouse over this option, it opens a sub-list showing criteria like top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, etc. Data bars. This option is selected when you want to add data bars to the cells having numeric data. When you hover mouse over this option, it opens a sub-list showing bars of different types and colors that can be added to the cells. Color scales. This option is selected when you want to add color schemes to all selected cells slowly, varying from top to bottom items. When you hover mouse over this option, it opens a sub-list showing different color variations that can be added to cells. Icon sets. This option is selected when you want to add icon sets to show which cells are acceptable, which are moderate, and which need attention. The different types of icon sets that can be added are shown in the sub-list that opens when the mouse is hovered over this option. The selected conditional formatting is applied to the selected cell range. You can also define your own rule for highlighting cells by selecting New Rule option from the Conditional Formatting drop-down list. The conditional formatting features applied to a data range can be cleared by selecting Clear Rules option from the Conditional Formatting drop-down list. Printing a worksheet. Step 1. Select the range of data that you want to print and then click on the Print Preview and Print icon from Quick Access Toolbar drop-down list. Or click on the File button and select Print option to open Print dialog box. Step 2. Click on Print button. The worksheet will be printed.